Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Toyota Sienna L. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, and of course a mobility wheelchair accessible van like most of our vehicles. I'll get right to the conversion. Like I said, a rear entry, manual latch, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. I can operate this entire conversion using just these two fingers. Watch here. I got these clamps I got to release, flip it up. There's one on the other side as well. I like this setup here. It actually keeps the ramp from rattling in the back. A lot of the older vans, you'll hear a real bad rattle. This prevents that. It's a really good design. It's got a handle on the driver's side. It's got a handle on the passenger side. I'm going to use the one on the passenger side. Look here, folks. One finger. Taking that to the ground using only one finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with ease because they are spring assisted. 36-inch wide ramp. Most of the side entries are only 30 inches wide, so that's why I like these rear entries. Give you 6 more inches. 56 inches coming in, 58 inches inside. This van is ADA compliant. It's got a spare tire there. Has 8 tie-down points, 2 in the back, 4 in the center, 2 up front, so a total of 8 altogether. It's got these aftermarket jump seats. There's about 25.5 inches of room between those seats. If you won't fit, the chair won't fit all the way up in between these seats. Sometimes people will put their legs between the seats and the bottom will sit just behind it. But this van is designed to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. If you do have any measurements need made to make sure this van works for you, let us know. I'll be happy to get measurements or whatever kind of video we need to make. I want to sell you a van, but I want to sell you a van that works for you. So talk to us. We'll get those measurements done. It's got the rear air controls back there. The dash is in excellent condition. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Yeah, it's got the radio set up there, the dual climate control. Driver can be one temperature, the passenger can be a second temperature. You also have the rear air controls up here. Got a couple plugs down there. So once you have all your passengers are secure, you come back out. You reverse the process. Again, very easy to do. Watch, one finger. I like these manual ramps and doors. There's very little to go wrong. They're very low cost to maintain. The electric ramps and doors are nice. Boy, folks, when they go bad, you can drop thousands of dollars into it real quick. Shut your trunk latch, you are ready to roll. As far as the exterior of the van, has tinted windows, give you privacy rear round, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. It's got the alloy wheels on this. They look sharp. Tires all have quite a bit of tread left on them. They're not brand new, but they do look pretty good. One small scuff when the van came in, little scuff down here. We put some touch-up paint on that. And I want to show you in our videos, we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can about this van. I'm trying to show you everything I know about it, and I hope you can tell in our videos, and that's why we do them. Overall though, remember this van is a 2014. It's not brand new. It's not perfect, but it is very nice. Little chip in the paint right there. We put some touch-up paint on that. Little chip right there. Probably just rock chips from the age. But overall, again, very clean. No major dents, no major scratches on it. And to be honest, I can hardly find a door ding on this thing. It does have a little bit of touch-up paint back here. Looks like it has a little bit of scratch back there or something. Oh, that might buff out. I'm gonna see if our detailer can buff that out. But overall, it's a real sharp looking van. Good tires on it. The paint still shines. We've got 2 keys and 2 fobs. Yes, this van does have the keyless entry as well. As far as the interior, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. We just had it professionally detailed. We've got the seats all plasticed up. We do that to keep them clean. The interior looks darn near brand new in here. When I go to turn the van on, fires up first time, every time. All the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no ABS, no airbag lights, none of that. It's got a full tank of gas in it. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 engine. It idles smoothly, everything looks good. No signs of any damage. We check these over real good. We crawl underneath them, we get them up on our lift. Underneath the van, much of the same. A little dirty underneath here, but no signs of any abnormal rust, no signs of any leaks. And folks, no matter who you buy from, make sure they get out here and make a video for you. If you can't crawl underneath it, if you can't see the van to crawl underneath it, I've seen these vans. I see them all the time. For sale in New Jersey, New York, Chicago, I mean anywhere. But make sure they get out there and make a video for you. If you buy a van that's got a bunch of rust underneath it, if it won't pass inspection in your state, you can't drive it. Folks, don't buy a van you can't drive. Don't spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a van you can't drive. Make sure they get out and make a video for you. Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business for 8 years now, and we make these videos so you know exactly what you're getting. We've tested all the windows. We pushed every button on this thing. Windows, power locks, radio, heat, AC. We give you vans a full inspection. Power mirror there. All right, well, let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this vehicle home, that we have made sure it is roadworthy. See, it gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. I've got the cruise control set. You see the steering wheel is nice and sturdy. It's not bouncing back and forth. And folks, when you're out there, you're comparing. I know there's a lot of people selling mobility vans. When you're comparing us, ask yourself, do the people you're looking at, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Check out your dealer you're looking at. If they don't have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, be sure to ask them why. If you buy from an individual, you know, there are no standards they are held to. They are not governed by the state like we are. It can be very risky. If they don't get you a title, if they fill the title out wrong, it's a crapshoot when you buy from an individual, so you better beware. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? You know, ask your dealer you're looking at. I don't do business like that. I don't put one price and then try to slip money in on the back end on you to make more money. That's not how we do business here. Do they get out and make a video for you? It's 30 degrees today. It's windy. It is cold. I'm out crawling around on the ground because I want you to know exactly the van that you're getting. Also, folks, keep in mind we have over 500 sales on eBay. We have over 500 people said we did them right. We've never had a negative review. Feel free to check us out. I'll show you how to do it. That's 500 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. I'm going to come to the bottom of the ramp here, give it a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking. Front end feels good. The brakes are good. So when you're comparing our van, when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to the effort we put in to make sure that you're getting a good quality van with not only the inspection, we didn't just throw this van on the lot, we inspected it. I have 3 mechanics that work for me. And when it comes to the video, no one can compete with our prices. No one can put this van in your driveway for more affordably than I can. And no one can give you better peace of mind to know that you're getting a good quality van. So if you ever want to come check out one of our vehicles, please give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. You don't deal with a salesman, you deal with the owner. Check us out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Also keep in mind, we do sell very affordable aftermarket warranties. We've done our due diligence to make sure this is a good quality van. We've made you a good quality video. But we want to remind you, you're buying used vehicles. We are not the warranty company. If I'm selling this van for $35,000 to $40,000 like everybody else, I'll put a sweet warranty on it for you. But I'm not. We're selling these at wholesale prices. We strongly encourage you to buy a warranty with each used vehicle. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.